Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick little small haul from Lowe's. This was bought with the 12 volt bandsaw bare tool, as well as the 12 volt circular saw from Dewalt bare tool. But I'm just going to do a quick separate video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I picked this kit up with the 12 volt extreme DeWalt bandsaw, as well as the 12 volt 5 3/8 circular saw. But those are 12 volt tools. These are 20 volt batteries. I did not want to put them in the same video. But let me grab the battery. Alright. So there is two deals going on at Home Depot at the moment. Or not Home, actually Home Depot has one and Lowe's has the other, and they're pretty similar. Let me grab the batteries real quick. Alright, so the deal there's this deal, and then there is this deal that I'm going to show you at Lowe's. So there is a deal where you can get, let me move these aside, a 2 amp hour 18650, this guy right here, a 4 amp hour at Lowe's, and an 8 amp hour 21700. So the 4 and the 2 are 18650s, and then the 8 is a 21700 battery. This deal is $169. Home Depot's version of this deal is a 2, a 4, and one of these 6s. And this 6 is no different than this 8. But the deal is you would get 2, a 4, one of these 6s in a 3-pack for $159. No, 149 instead of 169. So it goes down $20 because they're putting a 6 in the Home Depot battery kit instead of an 8. That's why Lowe's is 2, 4, and 8 is 169. But this pack right here of 2 6s is 169 as well. And the reason I grabbed the 2 6s is because I have 2 8s. I have a 4, and I have like 4 or 5 of these 2s. I don't need any more 2s, and I don't particularly need more than 1 4. And I don't need any more than 2 8s, to be honest. Even if I get something as big as, you know, a lawnmower, DeWalt lawnmower, you can put 2 9 amp hour flex volts, 2 10s, or 2 12s, 2 10 amp hour like this, 2 15 amp hour flex volts, you know, any combination you want. You can put 2 2s if you want to do. It's not going to run very long, but those mowers have a slot where you can put 2 batteries where it switches between them. I think some of them actually run off both batteries, but the reason I bring this up is because at Lowe's right now, just this single 2 by itself is $99. Or you can spend $69 more than this 2 and get 12 amp hours. So getting this kit, I didn't have any of these 6s. And these 6s, the main reason I picked them up is because they will be useful for weight and measurements on tools when I do specs, information, weights, and measurement videos. Because I actually take one of every battery I have and I will measure each tool for their weight on each different size battery I have. I do plan on getting the lawnmower down the road, which comes with 10 amp hours. I have not found that you can buy the 10 amp hours in a 2-pack like this yet, or a single yet. They only come with the lawnmower. I do plan on picking up the 12 amp hour flex volts, 2 of those, and then I plan on picking up 2 of the 15 amp hour flex volt batteries as well. I don't have those 2. And I will be grabbing a 2-pack of the Power Stack batteries so we can do testing and stuff with those batteries, because the Power Stacks are 1.7 amp hour batteries, but they actually put out the amount of power as a 5 amp hour does. So I thought it'd be interesting to, you know, throw those in the mix and see how well they do. But I just wanted to let you guys know there is a couple different deals. This set 2, 4, and 2 and the 4 are 18650s, and the 8 amp hour is a 21700 cell battery. This is 169 at Lowe's. These 2 6s are 169 at Lowe's. So for me, it didn't make any sense to get another 8, a 4, and a 2. It didn't make any sense to me to spend the money for that. But because I didn't have any 6s, and I want to provide you guys as much information I can on the specs and measurement videos, that the 6s was a better deal at 169. And in reality, even if you put these 2 batteries aside, you know, the 8 and the 4, and if you just bought a 2, you could have spent $69 more and got 2 6s. And these are 21700s, these are 18650s. The Home Depot deal, it's just 2 amp hour, 4 amp hour, and a 6 amp hour for $20 less. But let's get these 2 batteries cut open. This is the DCB206-2 pack. The last number normally always correlates. So DCB20, the 6, is referring 6 amp hours. 208 is the 8 amp hours. 210 is the 10 amp hours. And the -2 represents that it's a 2-pack. That's all that is. Even their chargers are that way. Easy peasy, that's it. All you gotta do is cut the top off of the plastic and it pops open. Because it's got these little pops. Okay, you can just look it back closed if you wanted to. So we got those out of the pack. There's a 1 bar on that one. 1 bar on that one. And it's funny how you have to hold the button on these, but the 5 amp hour 12 volts, you can literally just push the button once and it stays on. It's funny, right? So both of these are at 1 bar. And we'll see what the difference on the scale is between a 6 and an 8. So 6 amp hour, 1 bar. It's 2 pounds, 2.4 ounces. And then this 8 amp hour that is fully charged. It's 2 pounds, 1.4 ounces. What? 2 pounds, 2.5 ounces. Oh, this might be the 8 amp hour that I use a crap ton. That might be why it's lighter. Because this is definitely more dense, but it's also brand new. It's never been charged before. So, let me know, guys. And I'll bring, after these are charged, maybe I'll do another video. And the 21700 cell batteries, the Dewalt emblem is bright yellow, the bottom is black. Even the 8's that way. even the 4 amp hour compact 21700s and the 3 amp hour compact 21700s are the same way. And these, the old style, this is how you can tell it's an 18650. If it has these ridges and this style sticker and it doesn't say lithium ion on the ridge, it is an 18650. The other way you can tell is an 18650 is a lot smaller. It's about a quarter of an inch, maybe a little less. Not as wide. So if I put this here, slide it all the way to the bottom, that's the difference. It's quite a bit of difference. Where the 21700 cell batteries, the whole face right here is smooth. There's no ridges. And then it says lithium ion right here. That's how you know that they're 21700s. These were made 2021. Looks like 30th week, 49th day, maybe. I've never understood how they marked these, but oops. But that is all I got for you guys today. It's just a quick video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. If you guys want to see what these weigh fully charged compared to this one, I can also grab my other 8 amp hour, see if there's a main difference. It could have lost weight because, you know, when you use the cells constantly, they will eventually degrade. But that is all I got for you guys today. I hope the information on the deal that you can find for the Black Friday and everything like that helps. Today is November 27th. It's Saturday, 2021. It's a few days after Thanksgiving. I hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving. I apologize if in advance if this video comes out like 7-8 months or whatever after, you know, I recorded it. I do always put the day the video was recorded in the title. And that's what that number, the date code at the end of the title is. So if it says 11/5/2021, that is the day I recorded the video. I know I guess it's confusing some people. They're like, well, hey, why are you talking about June? Princess Jamie brought that up earlier. I'm referencing what I was doing at that month or in that time. But I hope the information is helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next episode. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Peace!